Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about 7th class Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. See reading we are going to start. Let's start. See reading The New Blue Dress. The title is The New Blue Dress. Okay. When spring came to the city of Cleveland in 1909, so here the Cleveland. The city of Cleveland is located in USA. In the country USA. It did not change Gates Avenue. People who lived on the pretty streets near Gates Avenue means in the streets of Gates Avenue, in the streets of the Gates Avenue city, okay, were making gardens and painting their houses. But Gates Avenue continued to look dirty and ugly. Even the people were making gardens and painting their houses. Then also the Gates Avenue looked dirty and ugly only. Okay. Gates Avenue was a short street in the city of Cleveland. So Gates Avenue was a short street. Short street in the city of Cleveland. Next. But it seemed longer because it was ugly. See, here they said that it is a short street, means short street. But it seemed longer. It seemed longer means it looked longer. It is a short street, but because it is so ugly, it looked very large. Very large. Okay. Most of the families who lived there had very little money. Means there was very little money with the families who were in the Gates Avenue. Next, they never expected to have any more. Means this sentence means what? So the people who are there in Gates Avenue, how much they have, they can live with that. They never expect that they should have many more. Okay. Next, their houses had not been painted for many years. So some people were painting their houses, but some people were not painting their houses for many years, and they did not even have running water. Okay. See here the houses, some of the houses in the Gates Avenue street have been not painted for many years, and that and the Gates Avenue street also does not have the running water. Okay. The street itself was too ugly. Okay. There was no pavement. Pavement means footpath, we can say. Footpath. Okay. Pavement means footpath. There was no street light also. Where there was no street light? Here in the street of Gates Avenue. Okay. And the railroad at the end of Gates Avenue. Railroad means road, we can say. Okay. Road at the end of Gates Avenue added noise and dirt. Means at the end of the Gates Avenue, at the last of the Gates Avenue, there was a railroad. There was a small railroad. Means we can also say as road. Okay. Road means where vehicles will go. Okay. Here the word railroad means road. Okay. At the end of Gates Avenue added noise and dirt. The other girls in the Gates Avenue were new and pretty clothes, that spring. So there were many children in the streets of the Gates Avenue, but some girls, only some girls wore new and pretty clothes. Okay, that spring. But the little girl from Gates Avenue still wore the dirty dress that she had worn all winter. So, one of the girl from Gates Avenue, she wore all the dress from the she wore all the dress. Only one dress is there for her. Only that one dress she wore all the winter. Okay, probably that was only dress she wore. Okay, her teacher was very unhappy. The opposite of unhappy is happy. Next, the little girl was so nice. She always worked hard in her school. So the little girl was so nice and pretty, but she wore only that one dirty dress which she wore all the winter. Next, she was always friendly and polite. Her face was dirty and her hair was untidy. So her face was dirty means she does not wash her face. Next, her hair was untidy means we can say that she did not tidy. Untidy opposite is tidy. Like untidy means dirty, we can say dirty. Okay, but anyone could see that what she is pretty under the dirt. Okay, next. One day the teacher said, "Won't you wash your face before you come to school?" One day the teacher said, see, her teacher said, the girl which she go to school, in that the teacher said that, "Won't you wash your face before you come to school? Tomorrow morning, please do that just for me." So what the teacher is saying here, to wash the girl face before she comes to school. Okay. The next morning, the child's pretty face was clean. Okay. After saying the teacher's words, she washed her face and came to school the next day. The next morning, the child's pretty face was clean. Her hair was tidy. Tidy means we can say also as clean. Okay. Before the little girl went home that afternoon, the teacher said, "Now dear, please ask your mother to wash your dress." Okay. First the teacher said that you wash your face before you come to school. Okay. That the little done the first day. Okay. The first day has been done. Okay. Next, and her hair was tidy also the first day. Next day the teacher said that, "Now dear, please ask your mother to wash your dress." Okay. The teacher said that, say your mother to wash your dress. Why? Because the girl's dress was very dirty. Next, see, you can see here in the picture that she wore dirty dress and her face is also very clean the second day. Okay, let's see. But the girl continued to wear the same dress. Her mother is probably not interested in her, the teacher thought. So what the teacher thought here? Next day, before day, the teacher said that, "Please say to your mother that wash your dress." Okay. But the girl continued to wear the same dirty dress. So the teacher thought that her mother is probably not interested to wash her dress. Okay, the teacher thought. So she bought a bright blue dress and gave it to the little girl. So what happened here? The teacher thought that her mother is not interested to wash her dress, the girl's dress. Okay. Next, what happened? The teacher only bought the new blue dress for the girl and gave it to the little girl. The child took the gift eagerly and rushed home. Okay. What happened now? The girl took the blue dress which is given by the teacher and went to the home very happily and eagerly. Okay. Next, from here we'll be discussing about in the next videos. This is the part 1 of the new blue dress chapter. Okay, thank you.